A fire breaks out, an earthquake hits, a flood is rising. You've got minutes to get out. No time to run around gathering things, just what you can grab on your way out the door. Now ask yourself, how do you prove who you are if everything is gone? You need a go bag, a small waterproof bag that you can put together in one afternoon that holds everything you'd need to rebuild your life. Here's what goes in it: passports and birth certificates, social security cards, an encrypted USB drive with scanned insurance policies, legal documents, passwords, medical and insurance cards, a credit card and some cash, an emergency contact list, spare key fobs, flashlight, first aid kit, lighter, pocket knife, things that in scouting we call part of the 10 essentials. A waterproof dry bag with a handle works perfectly. It's easy to grab, easy to carry. Put it somewhere safe but accessible. And here's the key: update it regularly. Hopefully, you'll never need it. But if that moment comes, future you will be grateful. Take care of yourself and your family. Talk to you soon.